Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to the Origami in Cat's Cradle YouTube channel. I truly appreciate all your likes, comments, and feedback. In the upcoming weeks, I'm planning to upload new videos for those who want to start learning how to fold origami. These tutorials are very easy and slow-paced, designed especially for young children ages 3 to 6. Of course, older children and even adults are more than welcome to join and learn too. All you need are square papers, which I recommend around 6 inches or 15 centimeters on each side, markers, and glue sticks. Questions, comments, and feedback from parents, both positive and constructive, are always welcome. A little about me. I've taught origami in schools in Japan, and I'm currently teaching it to children at a school in the US. I strongly believe that children can gain so much from learning origami, like developing geometric awareness, fine motor skills, and artistic expression. That's the inspiration behind this channel. So I'm looking forward to folding origami with you in the upcoming videos.